How to add music to your video in VN. Adding music sets the mood for your video, and here's how to do it in VN Video Editor. Tap the audio button or music button at the bottom of the toolbar, or you can see the music button at the timeline also. Then choose the music to browse tracks on your device or VN's library. Select a track and tap Add to include it in your timeline. You can trim or move the music layer to fit your video length perfectly. Lower the music volume during speech parts using the audio mixer for clearer sound. Got a favorite track for editing? Drop your recommendations in the comments below. And that's how you can add music to your video in VN Video Editor. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe, and leave a comment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.